Losing my son was the hardest thing I've ever faced. It's a grief that never truly leaves you. You just learn to carry it. Losing questioned God's timing after the loss. But I knew deep down, God knows best. It's hard for me to talk about my feelings. We're taught to keep everything bottled up inside. But sometimes we just need to be heard. My wife suggested that I start journaling my feelings. So I tried it, but it felt incredibly vulnerable. Just seeing my words on paper was really hard to face. My wife bought this journal on Amazon. It honestly changed my life. It helps me deal with my grief. I highly recommend this journal. It is for any man who is grieving. It will really help you through.